Hello. How are you doing? Hello, and welcome to another session at Binary Options Coach. I'm your host today. My name is Robert Lance Hammond. I'm here to help you, here to talk today about the tools of trading. Specifically today, we're going to focus on fundamental analysis, which is basically reports and fundamental information that's coming out about Forex. Specifically Forex, we're going to talk about today, and reports that are coming out and their impact on the markets and what we do about that. So we're going to talk a little bit. We'll start out talking a little bit about, the tools of trading. In the background here, you can see all the tools that I have. I call it my traders station. So in the middle, I have 6 charts set up, and I'm prepared at any point to pop that open. For example, this one, the British pound, Japanese yen, pop that open and have a look at it full size. And then when I'm done, reduce it again. So basic ideas, 6 charts there, high volume charts, Euro US dollar, Euro yen, British pound US dollar, British pound yen, Australian dollar US dollar, and Australian dollar yen. So those 6, I'm constantly monitoring them. And on the side here, there's full-size charts that I use for monitoring too. Top is a lot about fundamental information and also charts and reports that are coming out on a daily minute-by-minute basis. The geopolitical stories that are coming out that impact Forex specifically. So we're going to talk a little bit about fundamental reports. Basically, I go to my daily FX. I'll bring that open here in a second. Daily FX. So I go to Forex Economic Calendar, which is at www.dailyfx.com/calendar. So this is a Forex Economic Calendar. So as you can see, we've got the date here. So it's like a spreadsheet style set of reports that are going to have significant impact on Forex. So the basic idea is this. There are a handful of reports that are scheduled to come out. And in this case, these are all high impact reports. So long before the trading session starts, I primarily trade the overlap between the London and New York sessions. So about 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time to about 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So long before that session comes up, at the beginning of the week, in fact, on a Sunday, I look at all the reports, high impact reports that are going to come out for the week. For example, there was 3 out today, one at 3 a.m. Affecting the euro. So the Euro German Zoo, which is an economic sentiment report. And there's also at 19:30 Australian dollar consumer prices, 19:30 Australian dollar consumer prices year over year. Friday, there's another one, US dollar durable goods orders. These reports historically have had a huge impact. So bottom line for me is that I just simply avoid these times. Like, I know there's people that try and trade them, try and trade the impact after these reports. I just have found that just doesn't work. Usually what happens is these reports come out, people interpret them a certain way, other people interpret them a different way, and it usually results in whipsaw action. Whipsaw meaning markets move up and down violently. Basically, I've discovered that it's pretty much impossible to trade it. So I just don't. I avoid these times. So a half hour before and a half hour after. So this one, for example, coming out at 3 a.m. That's Mountain Standard Time. I set them for my time zone. So from 2:30 a.m. to 3:30, I would avoid trading. Same thing for this afternoon. Same thing for Friday. From 6 to 7 a.m., I would not trade. As I say, I've discovered that it whipsaws the market too much, really gets them riled up, and it's just almost impossible to trade that kind of action. So it's better you trade not at these times, and that way it'll be a more pure technical analysis. Almost everybody that's making a trading decision at these non-report times is making it based on technical analysis, meaning charts. So here I am back. So all these charts I have open, I make my decisions 100% on technical analysis, and any of the fundamentals, I just avoid them because there's only certain times of the day, as I just showed you, when fundamentals significantly impact, especially Forex. So I just avoid them. And that way, when I look at my charts, I'm making a pure technical analysis decision. So that's our session for today. Thanks for attending the binary options coach session. Hope that helps, and good trading, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Ciao. Bye.